The mountain Ben Nevis is the highest mountain in the UK, located near Fort William. It's about 5 miles to the summit and the same back down. Walking up is not just a physical challenge, but also an immersive experience that took us through the heart of the Scottish Highlands. This journey is a blend of natural beauty, historical significance, and personal achievement. As we begin this adventure, let's explore the many facets that make this hike a truly epic experience. Starting at the visitor centre is a great place to gather information, check the weather, and ensure you're well prepared for the hike ahead. Crossing the bridge over River Nevis, we soon began our steady ascent, with the excitement building with our first steps on the trail. The river, with its clear, rushing waters, sets the tone for the natural wonders that lie ahead. The path to start is easy and is well maintained with gentle sloping fields, offering stunning views of the surrounding valley and mountains. As we walked, we noticed the changing landscape, from lush greenery at the base to rocky terrain as we ascend. The trail is a testament to the dedication of those who maintain it, ensuring that hikers can enjoy this trek safely. The views are nothing short of spectacular, with each turn revealing a new vista that took our breath away. At about 2.5 miles, we reached the halfway loch, a serene spot, perfect for catching our breath and soaking in the scenery after the strenuous steps up the path. This section is on smooth flat ground with a gentle slope. This tranquil mountain loch is a nice resting point, offering a chance to relax and take in the beauty of the highlands. The still water reflects the surrounding peaks, creating a picture-perfect scene that feels almost otherworldly. It's a moment to pause, reflect, and appreciate the journey so far. As we continued on, we crossed the picturesque Redburn. This mountain stream is a refreshing sight, with its clear, cold waters flowing over the rocks. Another great spot for us to take a break and take everything all in. The sound of the water adds a soothing soundtrack to our rest, reminding us of the natural beauty that surrounds us. Crossing the Redburn is a reminder of the ever-changing landscape of this mountain, with each section of the trail offering something new. The terrain gets rockier and more challenging the higher we went, but the beauty all around makes every step worth it. Navigating through the rocky path with huge stones, we found ourselves towering over Fort William in the distance. The challenge of the terrain adds to the sense of adventure, making each step feel like a small victory through this rugged section of the trail. We then tackle the zigzags, which guide us up to the summit plateau. These switchback trails were a test of endurance, because looking up, you can clearly see how much further you have to go, as other walkers look like miniatures above. As we ascend, we look back at the path we travelled, with the valleys and peaks stretching out below. Each step brought us closer to the summit. Near the summit, the cairnstones act as a wayfinder in bad weather or deep snow. The ruins of the weather station are at the summit and is a reminder of the mountain's scientific past. These ruins are a fascinating glimpse into the history of meteorology and understanding the weather patterns of this region. The weather station, once a hub of scientific activity, now stands as a monument to the dedication and perseverance of those who worked here, along with the Peace Memorial, a tribute to the fallen of all nations. A poignant reminder of the human spirit. These ruins add a historical layer to our adventure. Exploring the remnants of the weather station, you can almost feel the presence of the scientists who once worked here, braving the harsh conditions to gather data. The ruins are a testament to their hard work and determination, adding a sense of history and purpose to our hike. It's a moment to reflect on the past and appreciate the efforts of those who came before us. Further ahead, we found the emergency shelter, a crucial refuge for hikers caught in sudden adverse weather. This shelter is a lifeline for those who find themselves in unexpected conditions, offering a safe haven from the elements. It's a reminder of the importance of preparation and respect for the mountain, as the weather can change rapidly. The shelter stands as a symbol of safety and community, providing comfort and protection for all who need it. At the summit, we stood at the highest point in the UK. The summit felt like a place of celebration, where hikers from all walks of life come together to share their achievement. The feeling of reaching the summit was a mix of exhaustion, exhilaration, and pure joy. It's a moment we will remember fondly, and it is so much better on a clear day. On a clear day, the panoramic views are nothing short of breathtaking, stretching as far as Northern Ireland's mountains. The summit offers a 360-degree view of the surrounding landscape, with the peaks and valleys of the Scottish Highlands laid out before us. The freshness of the air and the vastness of the views creates a sense of awe and wonder, making us feel connected to the world in a profound way. It's a reward that made every step of the hike worthwhile. The Grey Corries mountain range and Steel Waterfall can be seen from the summit. The journey to the top has been challenging, but the reward was so worth it. The panoramic views are a testament to the beauty and majesty of the Scottish Highlands, a reminder of why we did this hike. Descending the same path, we took our time, savouring the journey. The descent offered a chance to reflect on the hike and to relive the moments of the challenge and triumph. We found ourselves appreciating the beauty of the trail in a new way, seeing it from a different perspective. The descent was a time to relax and enjoy this leg of the journey, taking in the sights and sounds of the Highlands from this viewpoint. The sense of accomplishment and the natural beauty made it an unforgettable experience. Each step of the hike was a testament to our determination and resilience, a journey that tested our limits and rewarded us with unparalleled beauty. The memories of the hike, the sights, sounds, smells, the feeling of reaching the summit will stay with us long after we have returned home. It left us with a deeper appreciation for nature and for our own strength. It took us about 4 hours to reach the summit, and the same to descend down to the bottom at the visitor centre as we took rest breaks. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a beginner, this journey is one that will challenge and inspire you. With the right preparation and a sense of adventure, you can make it to the top and experience the beauty and majesty of the Scottish Highlands. As always, leave no trace and enjoy yourself.